In this demo, we will see how we can leverage the SQL tool to create custom insert queries. Inside Service Studio, we have here a module already created and a server action where we will add our SQL tool. If we look at the Data tab, we already have some entities created. The product entity is the one we will be using, so let's get started. To write our own SQL, we first need to add the SQL tool to a flow. Double-click it to open the SQL editor. Let's start by writing our query. This is a simple query to insert a product. Regarding the values, we'll need to create a few query parameters, starting with name, the VAT, the price, and finally the product type. We now have the query parameters we need. Let's complete the query. Although this is not a select query, we still have to define an output structure or entity. Right-click the Output Entities or Structures folder and select the product entity, the one we are inserting data into. Before testing, let's set the test values in the Test Inputs tab. For each of the query parameters, let's set a value. Finally, test the query. Since this is an insert query, no results are returned. Another important aspect is that OutSystems has a built-in mechanism to abort the changes during the test. This means that no data was actually changed during the test. The final step to use this SQL query in your code would be to set the query parameters values for runtime in the Properties pane of the SQL tool.